Replacing the siding on your home can change the entire way that it looks, and it's a great investment, but it's also a really big job. That's why you should hire a pro. When it comes to a project of this scope, a qualified contractor or siding professional can help you navigate the process start to finish. They can guide you with product selection and will know how much material to order. A pro will also handle permitting and keeping the installation on schedule. Speed is important when siding a house. The longer it takes to get the job done, the longer your house sits unprotected from the weather. A pro crew will remove the old and damaged siding to get down to the original sheathing, which is often plywood or OSB. This is thoroughly inspected for damage, then repaired according to your local building codes. Next, the home is prepped for siding installation with proper underlayments, which can include plastic or paper wraps and thick foam board for further insulation, depending on your climate. The beginning step of installation is critical to the entire process. The siding must be level from the start as the crew works their way around the entire home. Experts know how to use the correct trims around the windows and doors to keep water and wind out. And they also know the correct hanging methods and use the correct tools for cutting and fastening various types of siding to your home. It's fair to say that replacing the siding on your house is a smart move, but it's a job better left to the pros.